I could have Claude Code set up the virtual environment, but I am just going to do it myself. Virtual environments are a way to segment the Python environment that you're using so that you're not just using the systems Python environment. If I were to use the systems Python environment that is installed currently in user bin Python 3, there could be issues and conflicts that will occur if I start changing things, and then other applications in the system are leveraging the system's Python. It could just cause issues. So that is why we use virtual environments. Okay, and so I tried to use the command to install the virtual environment, and that library is actually not installed, so I just need to install it with this command it's given me, app install. Okay, so I did install Python's virtual environment library. Now what I'm going to do is execute this command. I am doing Python 3 -m venv. This creates the virtual environment. And then the convention I follow, as far as where I put the virtual environments, I always put them in the .virtual envs and then name them the folder that's the same as the repository. So I'm just going to do that. Okay, and now we should have a virtual environment created in that location. We can take a look. I am going to do ls, then ... to go to the prior directory, and then that should be my home folder basically. I will do .virtual envs. Keep in mind that when you do a dot in front of a file or folder name, it makes it hidden by default with the normal ls command. And then we're going to see, do we have, yes, we do have Claude and prod inside there. And then we have our Python virtual environment installed and ready to be activated. Now, here is how I activate it. I'm going to use the source command. What we are doing now is activating the Python virtual environment. You will notice I've added the /bin/activate. That leads to a bash script that will properly set up the environment. And now you will see this in my prompt, Claude and prod. That means it is using that Python virtual environment. And so now anytime I type Python with this activated, it is going to launch the Python interpreter for that specific virtual environment. So now I am no longer in this session using systems Python. I am using the Python that has been segmented into this virtual environment. So anything I install here will not affect the system.